to Interesting Learning. Here you will get bunch of knowledge. Hi friends, I am Pratishtha and today I am with a new video. First of all, Happy Independence Day to all. We are proud to be a part of India. Question which was asked in last video was, on which continent have the most dinosaur fossils been found? The simple answer is North America. Now let's move on to our topic, that is facts about India. The first fact about India is a floating post office. India has the largest postal network in the world with over 1,55,015 post offices. A single post office on an average serves a population of 7,175 people. The floating post office in Dal Lake, Srinagar was inaugurated in August 2011. The second is Kumbh Mela gathering visible from space. The 2011 Kumbh Mela was the largest gathering of people with over 75 million pilgrims. The gathering was so huge that the crowd was visible from space. The third one is the highest cricket ground in the world. The highest cricket ground is at an altitude of 2,444 meters and that is named as the Chail Cricket Ground in Chail, Himachal Pradesh. It was built in 1893 and is a part of Chail Military School. Fourth is shampooing is an Indian concept. Shampoo was invented in India, not the commercial liquid once, but the method by use of herbs. The word shampoo itself has been derived from the Sanskrit word which means massage. The next is the Indian national kabaddi team has won all World Cups. The Indian has won all 5 men's kabaddi World Cups held till now and have been undefeated throughout these tournaments. The Indian women's team has also won all Kabaddi World Cups held till date. The next is water on the moon was discovered by India. In September 2009, India's ISRO Chandrayaan-1 using its moon mineralogy mapper detected water on the moon for the first time. Next is Science Day in Switzerland is dedicated to ex-Indian President APJ Abdul Kalam. The father of India's missile program had Switzerland's back in 2006. Upon his arrival, Switzerland declared May 26 as a Science Day. The next is India's first president only took 50% of his salary. When Dr. Rajendra Prasad was appointed the President of India, he only took 50% of his salary, claiming he did not require more than that. Towards the end of his 12-year tenure, he only took 25% of his salary. The salary of the President was rupees 10,000 back then. The next is the first rocket in India was transported on a cycle. The first rocket was so light and small that it was transported on a bicycle to the Thumba launching station in Kerala. The next is largest number of vegetarians in the world. Be it because of religious reasons or personal choices or both, around 20 to 40% of Indians are vegetarian, making it the largest vegetarian friendly country in the world. The next is it is largest producer of milk in the world. India recently overtook the European Union with production reaching over 132.4 m tons in 2014. The first country to consume sugar. India was the first country to develop extraction and purifying techniques of sugar. Many visitors from abroad learned the refining and cultivation of sugar from us. Diamonds were first mined in India is the next fact we are going to know about. Initially, diamonds were only found in the alluvial deposits in Guntur and Krishna districts of the Krishna River Delta. Until diamonds were found in Brazil during the 18th century, India led the world in diamond production. The next is snakes and leather and chess was originated in India. Snakes and ladders originated in India. Earlier known as Moksh Patumi, the game was initially invented as a moral lesson about karma to be taught to children. It was later commercialized and has become one of the most popular board games in the world. The next is India never invaded any country. And this was the last, but not the least. There are many more facts about India. Today there will be not trivia question. In next video there will be surely a trivia question.